Hello and welcome to this CCB video blog. I'm right now getting ready to pull into Pinto Lake. And no, the lake is not open yet. I'm actually here to deal with my boat. The whole time I've been fishing all those other lakes, my boat's been sitting here. And now we've had like 3 storms and evidently it's really full of water. So I'm here to deal with bailing it out, getting all the water out, getting it all cleaned up because there's supposed to be a bunch more storms and I don't want it to get so full that it sinks. And while I'm here, I'm gonna these speed bumps. I'm gonna show you what the lake looks like closed. Alrighty, just gave him the heads up. Just want to make sure I told him that I was going to be going down and getting on the dock and bailing out my boat, because the way it's all closed off, you're actually not supposed to be out there. But since I'm bailing my boat, I guess I should be allowed because they told me to bail it. I just got to figure out how to get down there because, well, I'll show you in a little bit. Okay, this is what you get when you get here. You can see all the way along, all the way, yeah. No touchy water, nobody near the water. Ducks are having a heyday. There's even pelicans out there. I mean, there's been no fishermen it's been almost 2 months. There's been no water contact and nobody able to take their boat out. I'm sure there's probably people fishing on the county side and on the other side of the lake. But my boat's out there. I can see it, which means it hasn't sunk. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's got a lot of water in it. It rained pretty good last night, plus 2 other storms before that. And like I said, they already told me that I should bail it out because it had a lot of water in it. So I'm going to see if I can figure out a way to get out to it, see how full it is, and bail it out. Okay, now the problem is I gotta find a place or a way that I can get over to the other side. I mean, it's not an impenetrable barrier, but I guess I can just climb right over it. Just bend it down and go over. Hey, it worked. Now I'm on the bad side. I gotta get my thingy. And let's go see how bad my boat is. Okay, that's the stuff they're talking about right there. That's the blue-green algae. Oh yeah, my boat's listing a bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's quite a bit of water. That's probably gonna take me a little while. It's pretty full. It looks like it's got stuff growing in it. Alright, there we go. Not every drop out of it, but pretty much empty. You can see how like orange it is from all the algae or whatever that's been growing in there. And trust me, it took a lot longer and I'm sweating like crazy than it looked on the time lapse. See how green this is. It looks like there's paint on top of it. That's what the whole to-do is about. That's the blue-green algae, and supposedly it's toxic at a certain level. Just put this stuff on the other side. Okay, go over. Can't go over right there. B plan. Go over where I went over before. Just kind of push down and step over. Alrighty. I think that's going to do it for this edition of CCB Video Blogs. Just wanted to show you guys what I have to deal with when I keep my boat out here. And it's not only when the lake is closed. Sometimes if I'm not coming out here and there's a couple storms in a row, they'll call me up and say, hey, your boat's about to sink, you got to come bail it. So having a boat here in the winter is kind of a pain in the ass. But fishing's so good, I'll deal with it. Hope you enjoyed it, and please join us for our next CCB video blog.